Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brina and today we're going to be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing, and I'm going to be unboxing the regular box. BoxyCharm has 3 different options: the regular, the premium, and the luxe. The regular and the premium come every month. The luxe comes every 3 months, I believe, in place of the regular box. And this box costs about $25 before taxes, so let's get into what I got in my box this month. So this month's theme is XOXO because Valentine's Day. And the first thing I'm seeing here is... oh, very nice. I got the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask, and I actually just purchased this in the Boxy pop-up store, so I'm gonna have 2 of them. That's great. Whatever. I was not aware this was gonna be in this month's box, otherwise I probably wouldn't have purchased it. I have actually received some Saturday Skin products from BoxyCharm in the past, so that was actually what made me want to purchase this in the Boxy pop-up. Like I said, I got this in the Boxy pop-up. I did buy quite a few products in that, so let me know in the comments if you would like to see an unboxing of that stuff as well, me trying out the products I got in the pop-up. Yeah, I'm gonna give this a try. It is actually like a nighttime serum, and it says it can be used 3 to 5 times a week. It says it's a lightweight mask that works while you sleep to deliver moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, pores, stress, and texture. So I'm not really sure how well my makeup will sit on top of it, but I do want to try this, so let's give it a try. It retails for $29. It comes with a little spatula thingy. What? This is so nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, I was not expecting this to look like that. Yeah, okay, I'm a little nervous to try this underneath my foundation. Let me go ahead and clip my hair back, and then I guess I'll pop this on my face. So I assume this little spatula thing is how you're meant to apply this, or at least get it out of the jar with it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know how much to use. I don't want to get way too much. I just don't understand why it looks so chunky like that. Alright, let's try this out. It smells very citrusy, almost like cleaning supply citrusy. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but it is very hydrating, so that's good. And all this little clumpy stuff in here just seems to be going away, so I'm not hating it. All right, next up, let's see. I'm gonna go with this. I actually do think I know it. Yeah. All right, I have gotten this Trestique mascara in the past. I see that it comes with the eye pencil as well this time. This is the Good Vibes mascara and eye pencil duo from Trestique. Oh, this pencil is kind of interesting. It actually looks like a pencil outside. I don't know, it's the little things that like intrigue me. That's a very nice black pencil. It goes on very smooth. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to play with that later. And I'm not the biggest fan of this mascara. I think I got it in a FabFitFun box or something a while ago. So how this works is it has this little clip here. Pull that down and your lashes go in the center there, obviously. And then you pinch it, but you can only do like half of your lashes at one time because it's not big enough to do the whole eye. Not my favorite. Whatever, obviously I'm gonna use it later. This duo retails for $44, and it says this pencil is formulated for sensitive eyes, so that is very nice. And it features a luxurious versatile gel formula. It glides on like a liquid. Yes, I definitely am agreeing with that so far. Okay, let's see what we got next. Ooh, I'm not sure what this is, but it is definitely catching my eye. Whatever it is, it may cause cancer in California. I feel like that's pretty much everything. Is that just me? Okay, that was way too difficult. So this is from Glamir. I've never heard of this brand, and this packaging feels pretty cheap. Kind of feels like something I would have had as a kid, but let's see what's in here. I'm thinking it's gonna be full of brushes. Oh, yes it is. Oh, look at these brushes. Okay, but are these not the cutest things ever? Oh my gosh, I'm kind of loving these. I don't even really care about the quality of the brush at this point. Look how cute they are. So satisfying. I mean, they do feel pretty soft, so that's good. I think this packaging is just a little cheap to go with the little jelly theme, but I don't know. We'll see how they perform. This brush set retails for $29.95, and it is the Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection from Glimire. I really don't know if I'm saying that right, but these are duo synthetic bristles, and it says that it's supposed to help make blending flawless and easy. I will be the judge of that. We have 2 more products left. Let's see what I got next. I'm assuming this is a eyeshadow palette. This is from Wonder Beauty. It is the Getaway Face and Eye Palette. Here is the palette. So this is going to be a highlight shade, this is going to be a blush, and then these are going to be the eyeshadows in the center here. I'm kind of excited to play with it. It looks kind of boring, not really something I would pick for myself, but these actually look like really nice shadows. They look very, oh, it is so creamy. I'm kind of excited to play with it. The shimmer's very pigmented. Let's see how they swatch. So that is Road Trip, and then this is the blush shade. They swatch pretty nice. All right, I'm not too disappointed with this so far. This palette retails for $36, and it says that it is enriched with hyaluronic acid and mango seed butter to help hydrate skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. That is interesting for a powder to have. I'm very intrigued. Let's check out my last product, and then we can play with the rest of these things. Lastly, I got the St. Luxe limited edition liner duo. So I'm guessing, yeah, these are lip liners, and I got the shade Love Letter. And this, oh, what is happening to that pencil already? Okay, that's not too promising, but this is what Secret Admirer looks like. So that is everything in my box. I'm gonna quickly go off camera and apply my base, and then we can play with this palette and these brushes. Okay, my base is done, and I already primed my eyes using the P. Louise base in the shade 0. So let's give these eyeshadows a try, and I'm gonna try to use all 4 of these brushes. And I also want to incorporate this black eyeliner pencil. So I think what I'm first gonna do is maybe just try to smoke this out a little bit, add a little wing. I really do like this pencil, I can tell you that much already. It definitely applies effortlessly and smooth. It just glides right on there. This is definitely going to be my new favorite black pencil. So I'm first going to take this more fluffy brush and the shade Chateau, and I'm just going to buff this into the outer portion of my crease and use it to blend that black out a little bit. We're going for a more smoky eye look today, I think. And I'm just going to keep reapplying that shade until I get the black nice and blown out. And I'm keeping it on pretty much the outer half of my eye, but focusing it mostly on the crease area. I'm definitely struggling to blend the eyeliner out more on this eye than I did on the other eye. I think because this side, it did not set for quite as long. This eye just kind of looks like poopy compared to the other eye. So now I'm going to take this other brush. It's a little bit flatter, but it's still pretty fluffy. And I'm going to dip into Vila. And then I'm going to keep this. Oh, that is not how I expected that shade to look. So I'm pretty much just gonna put it right on top of where I put that other shade because it is a lot darker than I anticipated it, but I'm keeping it more on the upper part of the brow bone. I'm gonna add a little bit more black and then immediately go in with this brush just to blend that out a little bit. And it definitely blends easier if I go in with the brush right away. Now I'm gonna go into Yacht, keeping it on pretty much the whole entire inner half of the eye. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with the black pencil, and I'm going to apply this pretty much to the outer half of the eye, basically what I did on the top lid, and I'm keeping it on the waterline. And then I'm going to take this super tiny brush, and I'm once again going into Chateau, and I'm going to use that to smudge out the black, and I'm bringing this in about 3/4 of the way, but I'm keeping it more focused on the waterline the further I go in with it. And then I'm gonna go back in with Fila on that same brush I used earlier and blow that out a little bit more. And I think that's pretty much gonna complete the eyes. So now I'm gonna dip into Day Trip, which is the blush shade. It's not like super pigmented. I'm definitely working for the product. I mean, I'm really getting in there, barely getting any on my brush. Yeah, it's good. This would definitely be a good palette for traveling. I don't know that I would reach for it a whole lot on my everyday basis, but this would be a good one for me to pack while traveling. I would say the shadows are probably a little bit better than this blush so far. I really did like the shadows. They did apply very smooth, very creamy, and I think they blended out very nicely. I'm just not so sure about this blush yet. I'm definitely really having to work for it, which can be good because it doesn't take a whole lot to go overboard with the blush, but I'm really working for it this time. And a little bit on the nose. Okay, a lot on the nose. I have much higher hopes for this highlighter. It definitely looks like it has a lot more fallout than that blush did. So maybe it'll actually, okay. Oh, that is bright. I really wasn't expecting it to be that good, but that highlight is wow. Okay. I don't even have the words. It is the best highlight BoxyCharm has sent me in a very long time. Yeah, that stuff, a little bit of that goes a very long way. And then I'm gonna take a more detailed brush, nose, my inner corners. All right, that highlighter is definitely my favorite thing out of this box. Now for the mascara. I'm not really looking forward to using this, but it's fine. All right, let's give this thing a go. I never really was a big fan of this the last time I used it. All right, so that is how you curl your lashes with this thing. And yeah, it doesn't really do a whole lot. Give it another try on the other half of my eye. Maybe it'll be a little bit better. I'm not sure how well I had it in there before, so give it another try. Oh, that's interesting. I do not like this thing at all. Do not recommend. Oh man, my lashes do not look good. Let's go ahead and apply the mascara now. This mascara is pretty clumpy and not really doing a whole lot for the lashes. For this eye, I'm gonna try using my regular mascara curler and then applying the mascara. Maybe I'll get a little bit of a better payoff with it. I'm not hating the mascara quite as much on this eye as I did on this eye. I really think a lot of it had to do with this curler on here. It just did not do a very good job at curling my lashes and made the application process way more difficult than it needed to be. But I definitely do have to say this mascara is still pretty flaky and clumpy. So my overall review of this would have to be, this is useless and the mascara is not very good. I don't like this product at all. Definitely my least favorite product out of this box. And for my lips, I think I'm gonna go with the more brown one. So Secret Admirer. This is definitely not the worst lip liner pencil I've ever received from BoxyCharm. It went on pretty smooth. I didn't hate the application of it, and I actually really like the color, and I think I'm just gonna go over it with this Luna by Luna lip gloss in the shade Venus. So this is my finished look using my products from my February BoxyCharm. Let me go ahead and quickly add up the total of everything. So the grand total of my February box comes to $178.95. I think that's pretty good. The only thing I don't like is this mascara. It did nothing for my lashes. The curler did nothing for my lashes, and I definitely could live without this. Honestly, it's probably gonna sit in my makeup collection for a year, never getting used, and then I will probably just throw it away. So yeah, that's how I feel about that. I definitely like these brushes. They're super cute and they do work really well. I did not use the angled brush, but the other three, I like them a lot. They're definitely going to be ones I'll use quite frequently in my collection. Loved the lip liners. Very pigmented, very creamy. Definitely one of my favorite products from this box. I also really did end up liking this palette, surprisingly. Even though it is basically just a nude palette, the blush was a little bit hard to get where I wanted it, but it did the job. And I really, really do love this mask. It didn't even affect the application of my makeup at all, so that is pretty nice. It left me feeling very hydrated. Loved the black eye pencil. Went on very creamy, very smooth, blended out nice for the most part. And that is my unboxing and review of the February regular BoxyCharm. Let me know in the comments what you thought about the products I got in my box this month. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!